Jet Edge's lineup of ultra-high-pressure intensifier pumps just got stronger with the release of its Hero series featuring Jet Smart Controls. The Hero series pumps are rated to 60,000 psi to power both your water and abrasive 3-axis and 5-axis Waterjet cutters. With flow rates ranging from 1.1 GPM to 3.2 GPM, you can dedicate a single pump to a single cutting head, use a single pump to drive multiple cutting heads, or drive multiple tables with a single pump. The Hero series has so many features as standard, but the Jet Smart Controls jump out as cutting edge. The interactive control makes the user interface so simple. Quickly set pump pressures, visualize intensifier cycles, receive performance feedback in real time, and receive prompts for scheduled maintenance. Add a plus sign after the Hero name, and a host of premium features get added, including a soft start motor starter, light stack with audible warning, electronic hydraulic pressure control, check tube sensors, bleed down sensor, auto leakage sensor, and Jet Smart Plus controls for remote monitoring. The pump is the heart of your Waterjet cutting system, and Jet Edge is one of the few Waterjet equipment companies that manufactures both its motion systems and ultra-high-pressure intensifier pumps, so you never get caught between manufacturers on who is responsible for service. When you need performance you can count on every day, Jet Edge's Hero Series pumps deliver. Visit us online at jetedgewaterjets.com to learn about our Hero Series lineup and download a spec sheet. While you're there, look at some of the case studies that detail creative solutions to cutting and cleaning issues. Complete a Contact Us form, or better yet, call us at 1-800-JET-EDGE to talk about your production needs.